Here we are at this service station of one form or another off of Ridge Road in the town of Lewiston, about halfway up the escarpment. Here to capture what's left of it safely. If anybody knows how this room worked or how this equipment worked, how it relates to each other, let me know in the comments below. It's a kind of apparatus up there. Don't know what that is exactly. It's a pulley up there. It's just some sort of a machine nestled here. Perhaps the bathroom. Or washroom. Some remains here of stuff related to the building, or maybe not. Maybe just garbage. A fallen telephone pole. Old rims. Don't know whether this was something that existed for maybe 50 years or so before it was shut down. The rest of this looks like it was tacked together by kids out here fooling around with some of the stuff that's left. This part here probably has nothing to do with the business that was here. This stuff here. But we're just interested really in the building here. But some of the stuff like that, you know, these things are related to the structure, so once again, if you know anything about what this building was, let me know. Might have been some kind of a machine shop attached to something else that was done here. I don't know, but I appreciate it. This is Justin Higner, Wheatfield town historian, on a slight detour to get a bit of history. And while we're at it, an Ice Age glacial erratic stone. Farmers would call these stones leverrites because if you found one, They were so big, you leave it right there. That was the phrase. This is something that would have been carried over on the glaciers and deposited here as they retreated. You see more of them up the beautiful escarpment. One more view of the building.